Welcome back, YouTube. I'm just going to do a very quick video on the remote wire that I'm using for the DSP. Now, I already installed, for those who've been watching my videos, I already installed the 6-channel amp into my E90 325i. And I decided to install a DSP to see what effect it would have on the sound. Cleaning up the sound, tuning it a little bit. You can even set the delay response between all the speakers so the signal hits you at the same time as the driver. So I wanted to see how much of a change that would be, and obviously from things that I've read and researched, it is pretty damn significant. So as far as the remote wire, I already have one for the amplifier. So I just want to do a quick video for people who maybe never done this before. They're thinking about doing it. I see a lot of people online in forums running another wire, tapping into the remote wire, which you can do, but you can simply just use another wire and jump from the remote wire on the amplifier to the remote input on, in this case, the DSP. So what I'm going to do, and it really depends on which units you have, because they do have different connection types. But for mine, I'm going to use the wire here and tie it together with the remote wire going into the amplifier, and then I'm going to put a ferrule on both the wires and crimp it and put it in the amplifier. So that's going to have the remote that's existing going into the amplifier, but also it's going to have entangled this new remote wire. The other end of that, which to the DSP, is going to go to the DSP, which has a spade fork connector. So what I did was, because this gauge is so thin, I actually soldered the connection on there, the wire on there, to make sure it's a strong connection. And then I put heat shrink on top of it. So I just wanted to do this quick video just to explain that to anyone who finds it beneficial. You may be wondering, well, I have an amp now. I decided to either get a second amp. I decided to get a DSP. I decided to get another device or unit, as it relates to your audio that you need to power. You're going to need, to have a remote, in most cases, to remote wire for that too. Now, with a lot of the new devices, they do have that GTO signaling. So when a signal comes in from either like a speaker, a high level speaker wire, or a low level RCA, then the unit's going to turn on. So you have that. Obviously, you don't need a remote wire. But if you're using multiple devices and one has that signaling and the other one doesn't, then obviously you're going to need a remote wire. Now, in that case, obviously it's a bit easier, because you're only going to need, if one has that GTO signaling, then you only need one remote wire to turn on the other one. So in any event, this is how you would do it. This is how I'm going to do mine. So one end goes into the remote wire that's existing, and we're just going to run that existing connection to the other device. In this case, it's a DSP. All right, thanks, YouTube. Don't forget, like, subscribe, give me feedback, let me know your opinions. Thanks for watching.